Hi guys, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about layering with Brite Tone. It's really easy. As you can see here, I'm using my finger. I'm not using gloves. It's water-based. It's not going to hurt me. There is nothing in that that's going to hurt me. So you put on very, very thin layers. It's not like epoxy where it's kind of thick. These layers are about 2 sheets of paper thick. So as you can see, I'm just going up my cup and I'm using my finger to brush the excess that's on my finger onto the bottom of the cup. So after I get it, all around my cup, I'll go back on the bottom and I'll rub it on there. If I have any excess on my cup and it's drippy, then I'm going to take it off with my finger and place it on the next cup over and keep going. So this stuff is super easy to use. You just saw I did that in like 30-40 seconds. The layers are really thin. You can layer every 4 hours. So I know it seems like a lot of extra work, but it's really not. I mean, it's good. It's not bad for you, for your health. You can breathe around it. So you're just going to put those layers on thin, and it's self-leveling. There you can see that my cup's trying to fall off my turner. My footballs are wearing out. But here I'm just placing it on my cup. I'm making sure it's not dripping. It's not on too thick. Then I'll move the excess over to the next cup. So after I get everything layered, you're going to let it spin. You can let it spin for about an hour, and then you can put it on like the stand-up posts or however, hang dry, however you do that. You don't have to leave them spinning the whole time, so you can do double the amount of cups. You put that on a stand it up, and then you can put more cups on your turner. So let it dry for a whole 4 hours. You can put it on your stand after an hour to hang dry. So after 4 hours, you can layer again. Every 3 layers, 3 to 5, depending on if you use chunky. You're going to take a 400 grit sandpaper, and then you're going to lightly sand it. You're not going to dig in it like you would epoxy. You'll lightly sand it, just trying to level out those areas. And that's it. So you do this until it's glossy and shiny and glassy.